Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Timing of Dhuhr prayer. It is narrated by Abdullah ibn Amr. The Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "The times of Dhuhr prayer is when the sun passes the meridian, and man's shadow is of the same length as his height. It lasts until the time of Asr, the afternoon prayer." Muslim 1389. It is narrated by Hazrat Jabbar that Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam performed Dhuhr, the noon prayer, when the sun passed the meridian. Tabrani 6403, Ibn Hibban 1502. It is narrated by Hadrat Aswad and Hadrat Abdullah bin Mas'ud that the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam used to offer Dhuhr prayer when the length of shadow was 3 to 5 steps in summer season and 5 to 7 steps in winter seasons. Abu Dawud 400. It is narrated by Anas the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam would make Dhuhr prayer cooled by delaying in summer and performed Dhuhr prayer early in winter season. Ibn Hibban 1449 1505. It is narrated by Abu Sa'id al-Khudri. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam used to recite in every rak'ah of the first 2 rak'ahs of the noon prayer about 30 verses. Muslim 1015.